Hey guys, my name is Rohit Singh and you are in the channel Developer Geeks Hub. I welcome you to the very first video to the introduction to data structures and algorithm. I know you might have heard of the topic of data structures because it is one of the popular topics when it comes to computer science engineering. People in placements or in any foundation of multinational company, they often ask an engineer regarding the topics of data structure, because you must know how the arrangement of data is. So we will see every single and we will try to solve every single problem regarding the data structures, and we have driven this course in such a way that in any point you won't feel bored or you won't feel any stress regarding the topic. I will make sure that you will understand with all the animations, and we are also launching an application regarding this subject, that you will have visual aids. You can see the coding part, you can understand the definitions, you can watch the video there itself. So soon we will drop the application in Play Store, and you will get the link in the description down in all the videos in this playlist. Now let's come to the objective of this video. Particularly, we will understand what is data structure. Basically guys, data structure and algorithm are two separately different things. Then we will see what are the different types of data structure, and then we will practically see in the further videos. Now let's understand what is a data structure. Basically guys, data structure is nothing but the organization or the manipulation or the storage arrangement, right? How you arrange your data. The reason is because arranging this data is very important, because at the end of the day you have to fetch the data, right? So if you smartly arrange your data, so it will take less time for you to fetch the data, right? If I give you an example, there are many type of arranging the data, particularly in computer science engineering. Now let's see what are the types. Basically there are two majorly driven parts. One is a primitive data, or we often can say that primary data, right? Like integer, float, character, pointer, that we have seen in the C++ playlist. You can see that for a brief idea. Then comes the non-primitive data. A non-primitive data is nothing but it is a modified data structure which takes the help of the primitive one, like arrays. What is an array? Array is a sequence of similar data type. Like an array can be of integer data or a float or a character, right? So this is what array means. Or there is something called as files, right? Like your folder, your file structure. Then comes list, and within that list there are two kinds of list. One is a linear list, another one is a non-linear list, right? So linear list is similar to array, but the only difference between the array and the linear list are that array is a fixed size, right? So there are many issues of memory leaks. There are many issues of memory storage, or you can't increase or you can't decrease the size of an array, right, in the runtime. But in linked list or in stack and queue, there is something called of a dynamic structure, where you can change the size of the data structure in the runtime when you are running the program. If you are if you are shortage of array, so you can if you are shortage of memory, then you can in runtime you can allocate the memory. So this is what the difference between the primitive or the older versions of data structure and the newer version of data structure. Then in the next video guys, we will understand what is a linked list. And the reason we are doing the linked list is because in many books they have done the stack and queues before, and then they have jumped into linked list. But we will do something a little different, because linked list is something of a basic. If you understand linked list, with the usage of that, we will do the stack and queues and other data structures too. Because linked list, if you understand linked list, then you will able to understand how you arrange the data, how you can manipulate the data by arranging every single node to its left hand side, right hand side, center, above, anywhere. So that's it guys. If you find this video informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. In the next video we will discuss linked list thoroughly. So we'll see you in the next video.